All right, if you are in the market for a fan for camping, or maybe it's just for your office, whatever it may be, I would definitely take a look at this fan. One thing that I like right away is that you can see the battery life when you use it. So when I turn this dial here, you can see the percentage battery life that it has left. Just charged it a little bit right now. You can listen. It's not that loud right now, but as I go up, obviously it gets much more powerful. When camping, one thing that I really enjoy as well is that there is a light to it. So if you press this button down here at the bottom that kind of looks like a sun and hold it, you can see the light comes on. So if you need to see for any reason, instead of using your phone flashlight, you can use this, which is great. So then from there, it also has a sleep timer. Let me turn this off, there we go. It has a sleep timer, so if I press and hold this, you can see that it'll go 4 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours again. Say you want it just for 4 hours. Now in 4 hours, this bad boy is gonna turn off for you. So really high quality product, and I like on the back, so you see the charge, there's just USB that you can put in there, and then this spot right here if you needed to charge your phone for whatever reason. So when we have gone camping, we don't have electricity, so that's why we do the battery operated one. We can actually charge our phones in that back port. We will turn on the generator every now and then, but I don't want the generator on during night time, so instead we'll try to use the fan instead of using the AC, so I don't have to burn as much gas, just make it a little cheaper. But yeah, definitely a product that I would take a look at if you are in the market for a fan for, like I said, camping, for your office, whatever you need it for. Definitely take a look at this fan. It comes in different colors, but yeah. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks.